material like titanium, stainless steel, and nickel-based alloys are expensive to cut due to extensive time consumption, tool costs, and demand of an experienced operator. Cosen is proud to offer our CNC 430 enclosed horizontal dual-post bandsaw. Operators are in full control by cutting hard materials faster, while maintaining blade life and eliminating guesswork or operator error. The CNC 430 allows you to manage blades, work orders, and cut with recommended speed and feed rates, which can be stored with the saw's built-in library. Allowing a round capacity of 16.5 inches and a rectangular capacity of 16.5 inches high by 17 inches wide, the saw features a ball screw-driven, dual-post linear guideway design. This allows the saw to be more rigid and have greater stability, helping reduce cost per cut and increase efficiency. The CNC 430 comes equipped with Cosen's NC control system, which allows operators to store up to 100 cutting jobs, index material up to 999 inches, and easily control your workflow, all from an easy-to-use HMI touchscreen display. When paired with Cosen's V-Drive technology, cutting times can be decreased by at least 25%, thus making the cutting process more efficient for low machinability materials. Coming in at a little over 10,000 pounds, the CNC 430 comes equipped with a 2-inch blade, a 10-horsepower blade motor, and a list of optional accessories, which can meet the diverse needs of any service center cutting the hardest of materials.